Whoa, whoa, where are you going? Aren't you gonna clean out that lint trap?
What?
You may not realize it, but the most common cause of dryer fires is a failure to clean out the lint trap, among other parts of your dryer. Oh, when was the last time you cleaned this? We're gonna toss that. Now, the lint trap isn't the only thing to worry about. Lint can gradually build up and catch fire in the heating unit or exhaust duct, so you'll need to clean your dryer vent as well.
Are my clothes still in the basket?
So, this is how you'll know that your dryer lint trap is full and ready to be changed. Your clothes will take a lot longer than normal to dry. Or your laundry room gets hot and humid while drying clothes. Or you'll find lint in, around, or behind your dryer. Ooh, check out that bad boy. That's for you. Now, you could hire a professional to clean out your vent, or if you're a DIYer, you could do it yourself.
This isn't my garage.
We even have a how-to video on our blog you could follow along with.
Anything else?
Nope, these are for you. But I can't find this other sock, sorry. But if you'd like more tips on how to clean out your dryer, you can check out our blog on erieinsurance.com.